Welcome to Amaltash. Here, enter your email and your verification code, and next your name, and click Continue. Click on You have a referral code and enter it here. Next, click the Ultra plan so you don't run out of credits. Also click on I have a promotional code here and enter the same one that you did before so you can get free access. Next, browse our strategies on our marketplace to get an idea of what we have to offer already. Before anything else, connect your paper trading account by clicking on Exchanges. Here, follow 3 simple steps so that you'll be able to paper trade. It's that easy. Next, go on our Algo Builder on the left-hand side. You can browse the strategies we have, but make sure you're on the spot market, not perpetual. Click on any of the strategies we have or come up with your own and enter it here. Watch it get made just in seconds, no coding required. Next, add your stop loss and take profits, your time frame, as well as portfolio-wide guardrails. Now you're ready to run your first backtest. Choose 5 years. Along with the P&L, you can see other metrics as well as an equity curve. You can also see all the trade logs. Remember to save your algorithm so that you don't lose out on your work. You can apply our AI suggestion as well for the description. Next, click on Deploy so you can start paper trading. Enter the amount of capital you see as fit.